Hi everyone, it's Monica and welcome back to Taylor-Made Cards for You. Well, the Halloween Hoopla kits are finally ready to go out. I received the last of the items that I was expecting and now I'm packaging them up for you. Now all of the kits should go out this week, but I know in the past, because I curate these kits on my own, sometimes I've missed items. So I wanted to go ahead and just show you the complete kit. And then when you get your kit, you can compare it to make sure I didn't miss anything. And if I did miss something, oh my goodness, just send me an email and I'll make sure that you get it before the class. Now, these items aren't going to necessarily be used on every single card. I think we're going to try to make 4 cards. And if we have time, maybe we'll do some clusters or some other things, but definitely 4 cards. And then you're going to have extra items to play along by yourself. I'm also going to be creating more videos using some of these items just so you get the full use out of your Halloween Hoopla kit. I know it's always fun to sit down and have everything that you need to create your items, so that was my intent with this kit. I'm including 2 blank tickets that you can decorate up, and I'm also giving you 2 stamp sets. So this is a graveyard with a light and some books, and this goes really great with a stamp set that's in my shop. I don't have it here with me, but it's the library card set, and it's not part of this kit, but it would go really well with this stamp set. You're going to get some bugs, so we're going to be using bugs, and the bugs are going to be used with these jars, and you're going to have to fussy cut these. So get your scissors out. You're going to need to do some fussy cutting. All right, I'm including some labels here that you'll have to cut. So just again, fussy cut these, be ready to go for the class. You're getting an ephemera, a mini ephemera kit here with all sorts of items. I'm not going to go through everything, but you've got some vintage items in here. You've got some reproduced items. So you're going to have just a little ephemera pack that I created for you. And then you're going to have this ephemera pack that has 58 pieces. So just lots of items to play with. I'm giving you one of my vintage prescriptions that you'll be able to use on your cards. So that's included. You're going to get a toe tag, because we always need a toe tag for Halloween, right? And then I included some of my homemade vintage tapes, I guess is what they're called, because we're going to be using these on the cards as well. And then finally, you're going to get 4 paper dolls. Now your paper dolls are going to vary. They're not going to all be the same in every kit, because what I do is I take several kits and I just kind of pull from them. So you're going to get 4 paper dolls to be able to use on your cards as well. So that's it. I hope you're as excited about the kit as I am. Like I said, they're going to be going out this week, and I think I have 2 more kits left. So if you want one of the kits, go ahead and grab them, because once all the kits are gone, that's it. I might have individual items here and there if I had ordered extra, that you'll be able to order if you decide that you can't live without it once you have the class. But as far as the complete kit, I'm only doing a handful of those. All right, everybody, I hope that you're as excited about the Halloween Hoopla class as I am, and be watching in the mail for your kits. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye. So let me go ahead and run through what you're going to get here. So the first thing I wanted to share is this Halloween pack. This is, what is this? This is 6x6 paper, and as you can see, you're getting a variety of papers. So you're going to be able to make lots of Halloween cards with this set. And then I'm also giving you this awesome alchemy stencil, and this is really cool. I'm going to actually get some of that glow-in-the-dark paste that Tim Holtz has. So if you have any paste or anything that you want to stock up on, we're going to be using some paste on this to create a card. But this is probably my favorite item in the kit. It's pretty cool. The other thing you're going to get here is another stencil, and this is a spider web stencil. I think you always need some sort of spider webs in your Halloween kits. So I am providing a Halloween spider stencil as well. All right, now from my personal collection here, I have this vintage receipt for a funeral home from 1933. And then I also have this French book, Tombes des Monuments. But I think these were great ephemera pieces to create cards for Halloween, so I included those. You're also going to get some cardstock. So like I said, we're going to make 4 cards. So I'm giving you enough for 4 A2 cards here. But if you want to, I think we're creating one 5x7. So I also included these 2 black cardstocks as well. And you're going to get a piece of watercolor paper, and the watercolor paper is going to be used with, let me see if I can get it here, with this stencil right here, because I wanted it to be a little bit thicker, so I'm including some watercolor paper to use with this stencil. You're also getting some paper that you can use for masking, because we are going to do some masking, so I included a piece of paper for masking.